Malapit na ba yung Agora?
Hindi ko alam.
Malayo.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam saan yung munisipyo. Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko alam mo sa maps yun dati.
Saan?
Palalimin at payabungin ang ating pananalig sa buong may kapal. Sa gabay at tulong ni Ago, ang ating mahal na patron, Ama San Agustin. Maging kapanalig. Kapanalig ni Ago. Halina't tunghayan
Malapit na.
at pakinggan ang mga salita ng Diyos
Video ba yan?
at
Nag-video ka na?
kwento ng
Nag-video ka na ako.
Wala pa nga mga video. Ilang minutes na?
4 minutes. Container tour. One day I saw crocodiles. Since I was a projector. I was a white ass.
Nagturo na si Cassandra Leong sa Department of Justice para harapin ang investigasyon hinggil sa qualified human trafficking complaint. At kaibigan ng nasibak na alkalde na si Alice Go. Inaalam din ng mga otoridad ang koneksyon ng mga ito sa illegal na pogo sa bansa.
Ready ka na? Malapit na. Ready na?
Yes.
Bakit may ano dito? Pison? Nasa left side siya mo din. Paglagpas natin dyan sa Yan mo na yun, sa left side, sa left side. Daming star, oh, kita mo? Sa left side video mo. Yan. Dito sa right side, pagbalik natin, mag-backing lang tayo.
Botolan. You can see it.
Kita mo, yan,
Right.
sa left side.
Botolan.
Ikot lang tayo, balik tayo. Oh, pinatay na yung doon sa ano. Munti na yung ilaw, oh.
The 7-Eleven shop. Some lights here. All the lights. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's like these lights. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. The lights. It shoots to go.
Ayun, sa kaliwa mo. Sa kaliwa. Taka sa kaliwa.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. Look at see the result. Oh,
Ako na po ang bahala dyan.
na yes.
Kapuso.
Botolino.
Hanggang 9 p.m.
What is
Yung
Botolino?
mga kabarangay din natin dito sa Visayas at Mindanao. Kasali po kayo mga kabarangay sa pamamagitan po ng ating mga barangay FM stations. Good evening po mga kapuso. 6:10 ang oras natin. Tuloy-tuloy ang tugtugan. Dito lamang yan.
I got seeing it.
Station 1 sa barangay LS 97.1.
It looks so cool. Malit ng Pasko.
Ikot lang sila.
Okay, we got some primer gas, school design, primer gas. Okay, yung wrong rows. Okay, Jonah. What is that? Jonah?
Okay, dito ka naman sa kanan.
Jonah.
Hindi, sa kanan ka naman.
Rona. And okay, why? There's literally like.
Okay na? Doon naman sa kabila. Mamaya.
Okay now. Like these cars on a motorcycle. What is a motorcycle have such weird lights?
Maharang yung motorcycle. Maharang sila. Video.
Motorcycle.
Maharang.
Motorcycle.
Maharang siya.
Maharang
Naman
siya.
sa left. Ay, sa right.
Okay, and the Frank's Burgers. Frank's Burgers. Frank's Burger.
No, konti lang yung dito sa right.
Well, this is just trash. Look at this trashy design. Dude, such a good video animated. Botolan. This is the name of the town.
Video mo?
Yes. Christmas lights, Christmas love, Christmas all the days. 10 minutes?
10 minutes yung lahat.
Gigantic these nuts. One of those lights, those are beautiful. We're covering it. It's unsatisfying. We want to see that. Unsatisfying thing. CSI at ITC. They English. All the police having cool lights. We're having cool lights. Okay. What is that? Zamba Coffee, the best cafe. Go there. I remember that. Oh my god, the invites.
Ano yung kanta ng ano niya mo, Days? Sasayawan niya tomorrow? Si Lula na lang magsama sa'yo tomorrow.
Okay. What roads are the mountain? Bro, what is this light? It's so ordinary. It's so trash. What's a trashy? Trash. Bro, there's socialists. This is literally like 6 o'clock, and in the in the night, the darkness, in the night. Can see the 306 speed limit. No, that's not a speed limit. Is this 306? I'm just misleading something. Okay, Jalaboy in the highway, 3 kilometers away. Okay, oh, God bless, thank you. I know something's about to have gone tricky here. I hope there's no traffic jam there. And there's a lot of lights. These cars are making a lot of lights. Bruh, they're moving so slow. It's a light jam. It's a jam. It's a total jam. It's a traffic jam. It's a traffic jam. It's a traffic jam. Traffic jam. This is a traffic jam. Of course, there's literally 3 partners. He's for sale on a motorcycle. Give me $1,000 for motorcycle. A motorcycle that can't be that expensive. Bro's gonna sell a whole. Bro, there's an art style of a beanie girl. There's an Inner Circles Incorporation. Inner Circles Incorporation. Okay, that was cool. You know, that's the fruits. The boring market. This isn't even a market. Bro, what's that? It's so ugly. Where did I go? The Flying V. This is so funny, bro. This is so trash. There's a Flying V. The Flying V logo. What is that? What is that? Bro, what is that? The Nazi German symbol? The Nazi Germans. Bro. This is like a traffic jam. This is like a light jam. This is a Toyota. So definitely not white. I wear black. That bus is going to Olongapo. 15 minutes. Going 15 minutes. Bangkok. Let's go park that way. I'm give you. I'm giving girl. Zuki Goover. I'm a goober. Okay, that's all of it. Just boring lights now. I'll show you where my home and my parents live in.
Off na? Ilang minutes na yan?
This is my day.
Pupuk pa tayo ng food pala.
I'm not the main character of this channel. Okay, there's like six boring stupid nights. There's nuggets. There's a mango street.
Tawag ng kamati o...
Bro, this is so trash. There's no lights anywhere. Bro, this is so trash. Like, what are those people doing? Whoa, what? I want that. Okay, one time, swear. Okay, and no, stop. Okay, no. Okay, zoom in. See my grandma. Okay, you can zoom 6 times this video. Okay, what is that? What is that on me? That is on. See that the house and the solar. Definitely not the TV. It's a solar. What was inside that? I must be ashamed to see. Okay. Grandma's face reveal.
O yung kaya nasa'yo na yung key?
Hindi pa.
Susi? Oh.
Mistake. Planning.
Oh, kanya po.